Tired of power outages ruining your day? Meet the DJI Power 1000. Your ultimate energy savior. Picture this: you're in the middle of a camping trip, your drone's battery dies, and your laptop is on 5%. Or worse, a storm knocks out your home's power, leaving you in the dark. Sound familiar? The struggle to find reliable, portable power is real. Enter the DJI Power 1000 portable power station, a 1024 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate beast designed to solve all your energy woes. Whether you're off-grid or facing a blackout, this powerhouse ensures you're never left powerless again. What makes the DJI Power 1000 the ultimate solution? Its 2,200 watt output, 2,600 watt peak, can handle everything from high-wattage appliances like toasters and grills to charging your DJI drone and laptop simultaneously. With dual 140 watt USB-C ports, it's a charging powerhouse that keeps your devices running smoothly. Plus, its ultra-fast recharging technology gets you to 80% in just 50 minutes using grid power or 80 minutes with solar panels. No more waiting around, just pure, uninterrupted energy. Worried about noise? The DJI Power 1000 operates at a whisper-quiet 23 decibels, quieter than a library. Certified by 5 SGS noise tests, it won't disturb your peace, whether you're camping under the stars or working from home during a blackout. Its advanced battery management system, BMS, ensures safety, preventing overcurrent, overvoltage, and overdischarge. With 26 SGS certifications, it's built to be reliable, durable, and safe for indoor and outdoor use. Durability is another win. The LFP battery supports up to 4,000 cycles, offering a lifespan of up to 10 years. Compared to other power stations, the DJI Power 1000 is quieter, faster, and more efficient, making it a smart investment. Its pass-through charging feature lets you power devices while recharging the unit, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a camper, a tech enthusiast, or a home backup planner, this is the energy solution you've been searching for. Still on the fence? DJI offers a 3-year warranty, extendable to 5 years with registration. Customers love its fast charging, high power output, and silent operation. Don't let power outages or dead batteries ruin your adventures. The DJI Power 1000 isn't just a portable power station, it's your ultimate energy savior. Say goodbye to power problems and hello to uninterrupted energy. Your quest for the perfect power solution ends here.